I made a wrong turn back there somewhere.
Welcome back to another vlog. It is me, Bria, the pint-sized traveler, and I'm so happy that you're here. Today is Sunday, and I just got off work. Today I worked from 7 o'clock in the morning to 1:50 p.m. And now, as you can see, I'm just kind of tidying up my house to prepare for 2 days of relaxation and just doing whatever I want. Actually, tonight, in a few hours, I have church, and then tonight I have my Bahasa Indonesian lessons. So those are the only two things I have to get done before I can say, time to relax. But I wanted to say, if I have any Indonesian viewers, selamat pagi, selamat sore, selamat malam, wherever you are. Saya, the pint-sized traveler, and I'm learning Bahasa Indonesian. So leave a comment down below with any phrases I should be able to say or that I can learn so that, you know, I can increase my proficiency. There's this butterfly that I've seen like twice in a row, and it's so nice and beautiful. I want you guys to see it because it's my favorite color. Can you see it? It's nice and green. That is so crazy. But anyway, let's go to church, go to Indonesian lessons, and enjoy our 2 days of relaxation. So as you saw in my last clip last night, my Indonesian lessons went great. My teacher is from an online platform, and I actually just do it online. It's a very like low cost, and I think it's a really good deal. So, and I actually learn a lot. So yeah, this morning I'm actually off, as you know, and I'm gonna go to the beach. I'm gonna go to the beach to study, number one, what I learned last night in my Indonesian class, 2, to do some work on my computer, and 3, just relax and chill out, enjoy some fruit, some food, and maybe even get in the water a little bit because, whew, y'all, I just woke up and I'm already sweating. That's how real this Bali heat is. Jeez, I'm sweating everywhere. I'm like, what's the point? What's the point of even hopping in the shower again if I'm just gonna be sweaty by the time I get to the beach and get in the water? So, but I did shower last night. Let's not, okay. Get that out the way. But all right, let's go to the beach. Let's get our things ready, and yeah. All right, I'm dressed. So I have on a bikini, and then I have the bottoms on under here. I put on some high-waisted shorts, and I just put my hair up, classic puff. Yeah, that's it. I'm gonna put on a light jacket just so that I'm not like riding on my motorbike with the bikini top on, but as soon as I get to the beach, I'm taking that thing off. Made it to the beach. Oh, it's nice and sunny. And I'm ready to take the jacket off, but I need to find somewhere to sit first. And it looks like there's no seats around here. So I'm gonna head down to this side of the beach because I think I see some chairs and I could probably rent one. Woo! Today is so nice and quiet. Like, you don't hear a lot of people talking. You don't hear a lot of anything. This is the perfect beach to go to just to relax, put in my earphones, and just get some work done. So I'm excited, and I'm so happy that I chose Sanur to go to today. Thank you, terima kasih. Okay, awkward. So as you can see, I found the perfect place to relax. The beach is about couple meters away, so for now I just want to sit here and enjoy the sounds and, you know, the view and get a little bit of fresh air finally. And then I might go take a dip in the pool or just go to the beach. I'm not sure yet. But I think this beach is mostly for fishing, so I'm not that pressed to get in the water here. But yeah, I'm happy, I'm content, and I have no reason to complain. Terima kasih.
Sama-sama.
My laptop is doing this weird thing where it shuts off, and see, even though it's on 97%, it still will turn off. I don't get it. If you've experienced this, what did you do and how did you fix it? My computer recently started doing this. It will turn on, but I mean, I don't know. It won't stay on. And if I plug it in, it will, but I don't know. That's just too much. So y'all, I just spent like a relaxing maybe 4, maybe 5 hours up there, and now I'm ready to take a dip into the water. And y'all, I did not know it was so beautiful out here, so let me show you what this water looks like. Just try to record this clip, but there was so much wind in it, so I put my mic in, and I hope this is much better. And I look kind of crazy like a news anchor, but I was just saying that I feel like I'm 20 degrees cooler now because I took a dip in the ocean. And I really like this ocean and this beach or whatever, but it's a little bit too rocky for me. It's not like a really smooth swim, so it was nice for just sitting and just relaxing. But overall, I'm really happy I came to the beach today rather than just working from home, because yeah, I was able to see more of Bali and just to take my time, and I really like that. What's up? I have no idea what this guy's looking at. Appa. He's not saying anything. Let's go home. I actually need to go to the gym and see how much a membership costs, because I said I was going to start working out maybe 2 or 3 times a week, and that's a start. I also need to go and get like a frying pan or something like that, but I might not do that today. Probably not. I think I've done enough today. What up, everybody? I'm finally home from the beach. I'm all showered and got my face clean, and now I'm a little bit hungry, but yeah, I'll take care of that later. But before I ended this video, I wanted to talk to you guys about being alone, because if you notice, in most of my videos, I am alone. I mean, if I'm not at work or like intentionally finding plans, then I'm alone pretty much. Sometimes I'll be with other people in my videos, but I won't record them. But yeah, like I said, for the most part, I am alone, but that's the way I prefer it, and I really, really enjoy it being that way. I just want to talk to those who may be kind of on the fence, or kind of just maybe in a weird place where they don't have many friends, or they're reevaluating the people in their life, or they maybe want to explore more time by themselves. While there's some things in my life that I can't imagine doing alone, such as like going to a theme park, or I don't know, some things I just can't imagine doing alone, you know? On the other hand, there's some things that I can't imagine not doing alone, and that's traveling for one. And there's just so many other things that like I do alone without really thinking about it. Truly, the first step to enjoying being alone is to like yourself, and I think most people who spend time alone really, really just do like themselves and being in their own company. You know, it's so easy to say, you know, yeah, I love myself. Oh, yeah, I like myself. It's fine. But like, do you really like yourself? Do you like the thoughts you have when you are alone? Do you like the things that come up out of you when you're alone? I mean, it's not easy. It's not really something that we're born to know or to be okay with. So it takes a lot of work. It really does. Not only that, I think being alone is a time for discovery and just finding out who you really are, honestly. Just stop waiting on other people to tell you yes, and just begin saying yes to yourself, because I'm telling you, you don't want to waste time waiting because someone else's plans or someone else's goals or intentions in life do not line up with yours. Are you going to put what you really want to do on the back burner just because someone else doesn't want to do it at that time? I just think it's about time you find happiness or enjoyment in your own company, because there's so much freedom in it, and there's so much more you can discover about yourself. At first, being alone for me wasn't really easy, but being alone allowed me time to find out what makes me suffer. Being alone made me realize the things that I really like, you know, without the influence of someone else saying, you know, oh, I like this, or I really enjoy that. I got to figure out what I like with no, you know, outside opinions, influences. And that was valuable information for me, because it led me on a path of doing things that I really enjoy and somehow putting that together with what I want to do with my life. If anything, this year, do something by yourself. Do something big by yourself. I don't know. Go to dinner once a week by yourself, and maybe even leave your phone in the car, because that can be a easy way out. And just take baby steps. And if you want, take a trip by yourself and see what happens. See if you like being with the person that you're with. And if you don't, then you know it's time to reevaluate some things, and it's time to figure out why, or, you know, what is it that's driving me so crazy that I don't want to be alone and that I need other people with me. I'm telling you, it's so worth it. It's so worth it. You know, every time you're alone, you just end up learning more about yourself and discovering more about yourself. So yeah, if I can give you any piece of advice for 2019, it's do things by yourself. It's dive deep into who you are. I mean, you don't understand how much you're keeping from yourself just by keeping other company or keeping company around you. If you really want to do something worthwhile this year, take some time to be with you. I'm telling you. That's my only little piece of advice today. My little soapbox encouragement preacher. But yeah, leave your comments down below. If you're already comfortable with being alone, how did you get there? You know, what did you do? Because it might be different from what I did. If you're not comfortable being alone, or you always feel like you're filling that time with other people or other things, then why do you think that? So just leave comments down below about what you think, and I'll look forward to reading them. All right, so I'm going to end the video here. I feel like I'm rambling, and like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Turn your post notifications on so you know when I post a video. And I will see you guys in the next one. Oh, y'all, there's another lizard in my house, and I don't know where it went. There's always something up in here. And it's like, cool, like, come in, make yourself at home, eat the bugs, but like, don't be where I be at. Stay in your space, eat the bugs, and stay out of my space. Oh, I don't know where he went. All right, y'all. See y'all in the next video. Bye.